It at first, it was during my summer, and I didn't notice it at first, but everybody kept asking me why am I squinting, like I was.
She unfortunately has a degenerative disease called keratoconus, which is almost like a hereditary congenital type condition where her cornea takes on an abnormal shape as time goes on, and it becomes so abnormally shaped that it's no longer able to refract or bend light, which causes all images and everything to be out of focus and distorted. Really, the only way for her to get sight back or restore her sight is to do a cornea transplant.
It's been hard, like just living with it, but I just feel like I never let it stop me. I never let it stop me. I finished high school, pretty good grades, I went to college, I'm raising my kids, I work, I never let it stop me, but it's hard, difficult.
Luckily, we've been able and fortunate enough to partner with Lion's Eye in restoring the gift of sight, and we're able to do these pro bono cases on a more regular basis. We've been doing them now together for, I think, over the last 5 years. And every year we try to pick a recipient that we feel needs the surgery, obviously, would benefit from it, and unfortunately, maybe financially, they aren't in a place that they could necessarily afford the procedure. This is a young lady. She's probably, I think, in her late 20s, maybe her early 30s. And unfortunately, she's had a lot of challenges because of her visual impairment. She can't find employment. She can't pay her bills. She can't get insurance because of her vision. So we felt, what's the best way to reshape her life and change it is by giving her her vision back. So by giving her a cornea transplant, we're going to change her entire life and everything that she can do.
I'm most excited about waking up and actually being able to see my kids, because in the morning, just look at their faces. Some people take it for granted, but in the morning, I can't see anything. My eyes are hurting from the day before. It takes a while to put on my contact. It's not like I can just wake up and just look my kids in the face, So I'm just waiting for that daylight to where I can just wake up, get our day started, I don't know, that's what I'm most looking forward to.
I think it went great. She did wonderful. We took off her diseased or abnormally shaped cornea, and then we put on a cornea from Lion's Eye Bank. I'll be honest, her vision was so impaired that her vision tomorrow is probably going to be better than what she's ever seen before in that eye. I truly get happiness and enjoyment of helping these people and restoring back the gift of sight. I think Lion's Eye does a great job in partnering with us and being able to provide these services to these patients.
I'm just very hopeful. I'm ready to move forward. I want to be someone my kids are proud of, can look at and say, Mommy did this, Mommy overcame this. I'm excited, just ready to see what the world has to offer, I think. I'm gonna go places. I don't know.